She told me.
I said maybe I could eat it.
No, you are not eating my precious dogs.
They are very cute.
They are so.
They are
They are
adorable.
so teeny tiny. So is this their little, that's the pad for peepees?
And they're trained on it, apparently. They go right to it.
Do they?
When we watched it, they got over it. You should have seen the little one they had there. It was that big.
Oh.
And it was just hyper and set in her
How
purse.
small is it?
Little
It was like this big.
Oh.
She's not selling it though.
No.
That's a good
Because of
idea.
the action.
So these guys are short hair,
Yeah, I didn't want long hair.
eh? No.
She said, she gave me pictures from when they were puppies.
Oh yeah.
Can I see? Can I see?
Yeah.
Do
She
you,
was licking my fingers.
do you like them, Annabella?
Sponge from
Do you like them, Annabella?
Yeah.
You like the surprise?
Yes, I do.
Pick one up.
Yeah.
Am I able to pick them up?
You gotta be very, very careful. Pick
I
up the
know.
male.
Which one's the male?
This one.
The active one.
The more outgoing one.
Yeah, the other one's kind of like hiding. Look at, he's
Yeah.
hiding behind the other one. Oh my word, they look like little mice.
Incredible.
That's the mom right there.
Oh, they do look like little mice.
So Annabella, tell us how do you feel about your surprise?
Awesome.
Awesome. I'm videoing this, so.
The boy's very
Oh,
rambunctious.
he wants to come out to you, Annabella. You want to pick him up so Papa can get a picture of you? Just gently.
I know.
See, and these are their.
I don't know. I feel like it's
Oh, this is their new
gentle.
toys?
Well, she
They're
said
scented.
they're scented with their mom, so if it cries a lot at night, just give it to them.
well, that's a
That's
nice
why
idea.
it's wrapped.
That's why she wrapped. She said it kind of stinks.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, the boy one is a lot more active.
Yeah, yeah.
The girl was just sitting there.
The girl was like that when I went to see her too. She
Just
was kind of,
quietly
You know?
walk into its little house and sit.
Yeah.
How old are they?
12 weeks.
12, oh, 3 months old, eh? So Annabella.
12 weeks.
Yeah.
Wow. So I don't think they're going to be guard dogs. But
No way.
No.
No.
They can
they
hear
are.
things coming really
Yeah,
easy.
yeah. I was
Oh,
reading on
did
it.
they?
Oh, big yawn there.
that way.
Maybe
They're,
it's
they're
tired.
warning us. See what
You're not
Yeah,
gonna
they
do
will.
it.